meetings have been good. One or two of them have been really good, stuff that I didn't know about, so some business opportunities that I've uncovered, which have been very helpful. Also catching up with some people that I know before, so it's always good to develop relationships and stuff. So I think overall, again, very useful. So far, so good.
Again, the one-to-one meetings which I've had have been really positive. There's a number of companies here who aren't particularly familiar with Aptuit and their services, but it's been a really good opportunity to promote what we can do from a drug discovery perspective. And so far, everybody I've met with has been really positive and has given good feedback on what Aptuit can offer.
They fulfill my expectations, you know. This kind of one-to-one meeting, sometimes you are not very proficient in the matter that they offer you, or you know, the companies or the areas of expertise. But I think it's good to have these conversations, and maybe you can, you know, redirect those technologies to someone in your organization that is a real expert for evaluation. So.
I had only one, but still, you know, it's the, you know, a nice dynamic to switch between roundtable and the one-on-ones to follow up on a specific topic. So I like, again, the overall dynamics of how the meeting is set up.
Yeah, I like the one-on-ones as well. I think it's a nice opportunity to have a conversation around specific topics, which are a little bit more, down to earth and really more specific. I think this is a good thing.
Meetings. Well, that's the reason why we're here.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I mean that gives you an opportunity to show your stuff directly to the putative customer. So we have a very generic service format. So the challenge is quite often to figure out what experiment to do first. That may not be solved in a one-to-one, but the understanding of you can do pretty much everything with this method resonates good with a one-to-one session.
And the fact that they are paired also from the beginning, we express a wish to talk to each other, and most that I've talked to, they know a bit about the method. It's not like someone you find in a meeting that has no idea what you're actually doing. So you get almost half an hour uninterrupted to talk about just what you want.
So we've done this now several times with Proventa, and I always think that half of the meetings are always very good. The rest of the half, the other half will always bring you something which is promising, and then you always have one or two meetings where you might not be talking to you might not have the right service or talk to the right people, but in general 70 to 80% have a very good fit. So we're happy with the score always, so far, and we've now done it, this is the third time.
I've only had one-to-one meeting, but it was very focused and specific and relevant to my own needs. So I was able to target a provider who may have a solution that will help with the big challenge that we have coming up.
Okay, fantastic.